To achieve weight loss in 1 month, having a nutritious and balanced breakfast is essential. A good breakfast can kickstart your metabolism, provide essential nutrients, and keep you full, preventing overeating later in the day. Here are several healthy breakfast options that can help with weight loss, along with tips on how to incorporate them into your routine. First is oatmeal. Why oatmeal? Oatmeal is high in fiber, which helps you feel full longer. It also stabilizes blood sugar levels and provides sustained energy. How to prepare? Use rolled or steel-cut oats instead of instant oatmeal to avoid added sugars. Cook with water or unsweetened almond milk for fewer calories. Add fresh fruits like berries or banana slices for natural sweetness. Sprinkle chia seeds or flax seeds for added fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. For a protein boost, mix in a scoop of protein powder or a spoonful of Greek yogurt. Second is Greek yogurt parfait. Why Greek yogurt? Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health and keeping you full. How to prepare? Choose plain, non-fat Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. Layer with fresh fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, or kiwi. Add a handful of nuts or seeds for healthy fats and a crunchy texture. Top with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor without excess calories. Third is smoothie bowl. Why smoothie bowls? Smoothie bowls can be packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber from fruits and vegetables. How to prepare? Blend a base of leafy greens, spinach or kale, a frozen banana, and unsweetened almond milk. Add a scoop of protein powder or Greek yogurt for protein. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and top with fresh berries, chia seeds, and a small amount of granola for crunch. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid excess calories. Fourth is avocado toast. Why avocado toast? Avocado provides healthy fats that can help you feel satisfied, and whole grain toast adds fiber. How to prepare? Use whole grain or whole wheat bread for more fiber. Mash half an avocado and spread it on the toast. Add toppings such as a poached egg, cherry tomatoes, or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. For added protein, consider adding smoked salmon or a side of cottage cheese. 5 is egg muffins. Why egg muffins? Egg muffins are high in protein and can be made in advance for a quick, convenient breakfast. How to prepare? Whisk together eggs, chopped vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, and onions, and a splash of milk. Pour the mixture into a muffin tin and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Store in the refrigerator and reheat in the morning. Pair with a piece of fruit or a small serving of whole grain toast for a balanced meal. 6 is chia seed pudding. Why chia seed pudding? Chia seeds are rich in fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, promoting satiety and heart health. How to prepare? Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Add a dash of vanilla extract and a natural sweetener like stevia or a small amount of honey. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight to thicken. Top with fresh berries, nuts, or a spoonful of nut butter in the morning. 7 is cottage cheese with fruit. Why cottage cheese? Cottage cheese is a high-protein option that pairs well with fruit for added vitamins and minerals. How to prepare? Opt for low-fat or non-fat cottage cheese. Mix with fresh or frozen berries, pineapple chunks, or sliced peaches. Sprinkle with a small amount of granola or nuts for texture. A dash of cinnamon or a drizzle of honey can enhance the flavor. 8 is whole grain pancakes. Why whole grain pancakes? Whole grain pancakes offer more fiber and nutrients compared to traditional pancakes. How to prepare? Use whole wheat flour or oat flour for the batter. Add mashed banana or applesauce for natural sweetness. Serve with a side of Greek yogurt or a small amount of pure maple syrup. Top with fresh fruit instead of sugary syrups. Tips for success. Plan ahead. Prepare ingredients or meals the night before to save time in the morning. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid excess calorie intake. Stay hydrated. Drink a glass of water before eating to help control hunger. Balance. Include a mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you full longer. Avoid sugary additions. Limit added sugars and opt for natural sweeteners like fruit. Incorporating these healthy breakfast options into your routine can help support your weight loss goals by providing essential nutrients, keeping you full, and preventing unhealthy snacking throughout the day. Remember, consistency and mindful eating are key to achieving and maintaining weight loss.